Okay, hi, my name is Christian, so I'd like to hear Thomas and Friends. The adventure begins. Troublesome trucks. Okay, here we go.
Troublesome trucks can play tricks on you, Thomas. It's not the same as in the yard. They'll push you off the rails if you're not careful.
Don't be silly. You worry too much, Edward. Like Henry.
The engines always think they are so clever, and so they like to buck the trucks around. They buck them in the sidings, they buck them in the yard. They better beware, they better take care, they better be on their guard.
Thomas, be careful.
Thomas pulls the trucks along the line. He's happy and he thinks it's going fine. The trucks don't stop to move, they rattle and they go. Look out, Thomas, watch out, Thomas, that's the warning sign.
Come along, come along.
Before long, Thomas starts to go still. It's hard and he really has to pull. But soon he's at the top, and then he just makes stop. The trucks go faster still. Because fast trucks are faster than the engines every time. Just the trucks that run the engines all night. They push them here, push them there until they go too fast. Then they push them once again, laughing while they crash. Just the trucks that get the engines every time. Just the trucks that run the engines all night. They don't care how big they are, to them it's just a game. Those troublesome trucks will get them all the same. They don't care how big they are, to them it's just a game. Those troublesome trucks will get them
Thomas, what are you doing here? Thomas?
Thomas, what are you and Tweedly doing here? We bought Edward's goods train for him, sir. Why did you come in so fast? We didn't mean to. Though those trucks were pushing us. Oh, Thomas, I told you. Oh, Thomas, we told you to stay in the yard to get used to working with trucks and coaches, and we told Edward to take these trucks down because he is experiment with these sort of things. And if you're not prepared, and if you're not prepared to take the time to learn how to do things properly, then we have to take you off duty for a while. Thomas gasped. Thomas gasped. Thomas gasped. Thomas gasped. No, please. No, please. I'm sorry, sir. I want to No, please. We're sorry, sir. We want to we want to be very useful engine. Then you still have a lot to learn about cars, about trucks and coaches. Thomas, after pushing them about in the yard for a while, you know almost as much about them as Edward. Then then you will be you'll be very useful engine. So the fast controller then to tend to our business. Thomas and Tidway were about to depart too.